Most people will watch this new Figure 03 video and think, so what? It's just a robot climbing a ladder. But that reaction completely misses what makes this one of Figure I's most important demonstrations yet. Because climbing a ladder isn't just another movement. It's one of the hardest mobility challenges a humanoid robot can face. Every step demands precise balance, constant coordination between its hands and feet, and split-second adjustments to avoid falling. And if robots are ever going to work in places designed for humans, this is exactly the kind of skill they'll need. Let's take a closer look. Figure has just released a new clip showing its Figure 03 humanoid smoothly climbing a vertical ladder. At first glance, the movement looks calm and controlled. There's no dramatic music, no flashy stunts, and no park hour. But that's exactly what makes it interesting. Unlike walking across a flat floor, climbing a ladder means the robot has to coordinate all four limbs at once while continuously shifting its center of gravity. Every time it lifts one hand or one foot, the entire balance of the body changes. The robot has to know exactly where each limb is, how much force to apply, and when it's safe to move to the next rung. Even a small mistake could cause the entire climb to fail. This is why ladder climbing has remained a difficult challenge, not just for humanoid robots, but for robotics in general. And Figure appears to be making it look increasingly natural. The question, though, isn't whether a robot can climb a ladder. It's why that matters. Think about the environments humans work in every day. Factories, warehouses, power plants, construction sites, maintenance facilities. Many of these places already rely on ladders to reach equipment, inspect machinery, or perform repairs. Instead of redesigning these workplaces for robots, companies want robots that can simply operate in the same spaces humans already use. That's one of the biggest advantages of humanoid robots. They are built to fit into a human world. Doors, stairs, elevators, tools, workstations, and yes, ladders. Every new capability like this brings them one step closer to handling real industrial tasks without requiring entirely new infrastructure. And that's exactly where Figure seems to be focusing its efforts. Over the past year, the company has steadily shifted away from showing isolated tech demos toward demonstrating practical workplace skills. We've seen major progress with Helix, Figure's AI system, allowing robots to understand instructions, manipulate unfamiliar objects, and perform more complex tasks with greater autonomy. The company has also continued advancing its humanoid hardware, with Figure 03 showing smoother motion, improved dexterity, and more stable whole-body control compared with earlier generations. At the same time, Figure has been working with BMW to integrate its robots into real manufacturing environments, where reliability matters far more than flashy tricks. And that's an important difference. Some companies showcase robots performing backflips or highly dynamic movements to demonstrate athletic ability. Figure, on the other hand, increasingly appears focused on proving that its robots can perform the kinds of repetitive, practical jobs businesses actually need. That doesn't make these demonstrations less impressive. In many ways, it makes them even more important. Because a robot that can reliably climb a ladder, carry tools, manipulate equipment, and work safely around people has a much clearer path to commercial deployment than one built only for spectacular stunts. Of course, Figure isn't alone in this race. Tesla continues developing Optimus for factory work and general-purpose assistance. Boston Dynamics remains the leader in dynamic mobility, with Atlas pushing the limits of robotic movement. And companies like Unitree are rapidly improving affordable humanoid platforms at an incredible pace. Each company is approaching the challenge differently. But Figure's latest demonstration highlights something increasingly clear. The future of humanoid robots won't be decided by who builds the robot that performs the most impressive trick. It will be decided by who builds the robot that can reliably perform useful work in the environments we already live and work in. And this new ladder climbing demo is another small, but meaningful, step in that direction. If Figure continues combining capable hardware with increasingly intelligent AI, these kinds of skills may soon move beyond demonstrations and become part of everyday industrial work. The humanoid robot race isn't slowing down. It's becoming more practical. And that's where things start to get really interesting.